More corporate landlords are buying up apartments in New York City, pushing out families that have owned these buildings for decades.
One neighborhood where this has become especially common is the East Village, and longtime residents aren't happy about it. Arthur Chan spoke with some of them about why they're so concerned.
While the East Village is one of the trendiest neighborhoods, it's become part of a new trend some would prefer to skip. Corporations have been buying up chunks of the East Village. The most recent example, two connected buildings, 305 East 11th Street and 310 East 12th. They combined 89 units. Residents like Maria, who's lived here her whole life, tell us the corporate takeover threatens the long-standing close-knit community that has blossomed here.
It's really just like heartbreaking. Everyone says hi to each other. Everyone knows each other. All of my hand-me-downs as a kid were from my neighbor downstairs. Then I gave them all to the kids down the hall. All of my babysitting jobs were from people in the building.
The real estate corporation, Meadow Partners, bought the two buildings for $58 million, and they now own 430 units in total in just the East Village. The company says it is looking forward to modernizing the buildings and that the market rate units are renting below market value. With New York City in the middle of skyrocketing rents and soaring demand, those who live here tell us that tenants are being told their leases will not be renewed and they have to move out when their current lease runs out. This 5-year resident asked we maintain her privacy.
We know it's already happening. People are being, forced out. There are families that with young children who've had to move, families with babies. There's also a sizable population of older residents in the building, many of whom have lived in the building for decades.
According to Satish Nori of the housing justice group Just Fix, more and more corporations are becoming landlords, and that for the residents here, it may mean massive rent hikes or getting pushed out altogether.
In fact, 89% of landlords of buildings with 3 or more apartments are corporations. And so this means that these corporations are in the business of making money. If they can profit even 1% by pushing out a family who's been there for decades, they will do so.
Some have said that when a company takes over a property like this, it's not always bad news, that a bigger company might have deeper pockets and be able to afford repairs that a private individual owner cannot afford. But residents here say that is not the scenario that's shaping up in their beloved building. In the East Village, Arthur Chien, Fox 5 News.